看完这一路都全部都问到这儿，学生里全部进水了。
Northern Changde, like Jinzhou and Hubei, was hit by extreme rainstorms this morning. Ximen and Lixian counties experienced widespread heavy to extremely heavy rain, with some areas recording up to 460 m.a.m. of rainfall unprecedented for May. We warn that the Lishui River, affected by the heavy rain, has caused the Shishui River to overflow its banks, leading to record-breaking flooding. From May 17th to 18th, Ximen County in Chengde City, Hunan Province, experienced extremely heavy rainfall, with 24-hour rainfall reaching 339.2 millimeters. Hupingshan City recorded a record rainfall of 240.6 millimeters, and the Shishui River rose 8.76 meters. This resulted in 1 death, 2 people missing, and the emergency evacuation of over 16,000 people. The local government has activated a Level 2 flood control response and issued a red flood warning. Cumulative rainfall in 24 hours reached 339.2 millimeters, with Hupingshan City recording 240.6 millimeters of rain in just 6 hours, breaking a local record. The Shishui River rose rapidly, with the Shuang Hydrological Station seeing a rise of 8.76 meters. The Jiangping section of the Hupingshan River issued the first red flood warning in Hunan this year. The heavy rain triggered flash floods, submerging homes, destroying roads, and trapping houses in muddy floodwaters. As of 7 p.m. on the 18th, the disaster had resulted in 1 death and 2 missing. A truly devastating situation. Ximen County in Hunan experienced a once-in-a-century rainstorm. Jinzhou in Hubei was also hit by heavy rain. Hunan and Guizhou experienced extreme weather, and Guangzhou and Zhongshan in Guangdong recently experienced heavy rain. With the ongoing thunderstorms, everyone should exercise extreme caution when going out. It is best to stay home, unless absolutely necessary. A villager from Jinjisi village in Songzi town, Jinzhou Hubei province, accidentally fell into floodwaters while riding his motorcycle to Niushipo village. At a critical moment, Wang Jingguo, the party secretary of Niushipo village, jumped into the water to save him. Wang Jingguo stated that the villager was a 70-year-old man who was riding his motorcycle to buy breakfast when he was caught in a sudden heavy rain and swept away by the floodwaters. According to the Hubei Daily, the sudden flash flood damaged roads leading to the village and severely disrupted communications, leaving the entire village cut off from communication. Beishui village has 502 registered households, wheat 1,636 people, and a population of 185. Households, wheat 287 people have been evacuated. According to Xinhua news agency, from May 17th to 18th, heavy to extremely heavy rain fell upstream of Beishui village, Shadagu town, Shuan County, Enshi Prefecture, Hubei province, with a maximum rainfall of 292.6 millimeters. To date, the disaster has resulted in 3 deaths and 4 missing, with 287 people being evacuated urgently.
直接报废呀！没得事，这是。
梦见那个。
哎呀，我的天呐！
Hubei province reported that heavy rains have caused urban flooding on Changgang Road and Zhengjin Road in China. Videos show flooded basements and vehicles, and rescue operations are underway.
这些便宜车也吃了泡水，倒是1万块钱的纸，就天呐，这车这个是全部淹了你们，他老人有的要看病来就还在救援，哎呀。
The floodwaters are flowing rapidly and mercilessly across the area. The immense force of the currents caused a bridge to collapse. The roaring sound of the water and the collapse of the bridge added to the panic of residents trying to escape. This massive flooding has cut off road access, trapped vehicles, and completely paralyzed public life. The situation at the scene appears extremely tense, with the water currents steadily rising.
没得事，这是。
梦见那个。
哎呀，我的天呐！
呀，这降干粉呀，冲导弹那个，这降干粉。
Authorities are continuing to monitor weather developments and river conditions, which remain at dangerous levels. Rescue teams have been deployed to several affected areas to assist with evacuations, while residents are urged to remain vigilant for potential flash floods and landslides. Due to the rain, which could continue to fall in the coming hours, this disaster is one of the most extreme weather events to hit the region in recent years. Damaged infrastructure, overflowing rivers, and heavy rainfall demonstrate the devastating impact of the storm that struck Chengdi and its surrounding areas. Residents now hope for a speedy recovery, so that recovery can begin quickly.
你看，你看，能打崩吧的，也得了，完事，肯定该。